Today I will give you 5 ways of how to make money online starting from zero. Number 1, sell your art piece on Etsy. If you're a designer, an illustrator or a photographer, you can sell your art piece on Etsy. It's easy to set up, and basically you create your store, you set prices, and you can sell in like a print format and also in a digital. I find it really good because if you're a photographer and you don't have like a printer and you need to print stuff and then send it worldwide, you can just sell it digitally. Things that you need to know on Etsy is like every time that you sell one art piece, Etsy take 20p from your price, which is kind of low. One little thing that you should add into your product description is shipping information. Especially of what's happening right now, it's important to say if there will be some delays, and also when you price your item, consider how much is your shipping price. Okay, number 2, write an ebook. You can write anything that you want into a book. It can be a story, it can be something that you can teach, it can be a recipe, it can be anything that you have in mind and you want to put in a book. To write a book, you simply need a computer and MS Office. It's important to have a structure in your book, so always put a table of content and number of pages. It's important to have like a book cover, so you can find a freelancer to do like a book cover for you. When your book is finished, you can sell it on Amazon or on Google Play. Amazon has 2 formats. They have Kindle book, which is ebook, and they have a paperback. To put your book on Amazon on Google Play is free, and you set your price for your Kindle book and for your paperback book. You don't have to do anything from the paperback version because Amazon prints it for you. For the paperback version, you need to at least have into your book 24 pages. Okay, third way, sell things on Facebook Marketplace. For this idea, I'm sure that in your place you have something that you don't need. You take a picture of your product and you put keywords related to your product. So people, when they search on Facebook, they can see your ad and they can contact you directly. To sell on Facebook Marketplace, you just need a Facebook account. Facebook Marketplace is really clever because you can sell things locally and even in the city. Number 4, online tutoring. Sorry, I can't say the R because the R for me is W, so it's wing. There are many platforms where you can register for free and start teaching. Basically, you can teach anything. You can teach Spanish, French, piano, art, coding, everything. Some tutoring platforms are really good and you can earn between £17 and £55 per hour. I will put in the description below some website where you can register for free and start teaching. And for the last one, start a blog. Starting a blog is free of charge. I would advise you to start with Instagram. Okay, for example, you're a nutritionist and you want to start a blog on Instagram. Post your recipe and post it regularly. Instagram is efficient if you are consistent. In order to have more visibility, for example, when you post a recipe, below, the description is very important. Never let it blank. Put some tags. There is no correct tags, but tags will help you to have more visibility and grow your community. And now you will ask me how to get paid from Instagram. Using my previous example as a nutritionist, you can sell your menu and your nutrition plan. Instagram is a very good tool if you want to promote yourself and promote your business. As your community is growing, you will have a certain audience. Brands can approach you to advertise through your Instagram page. It's called paid promotion. It's important to put a business email on your Instagram page. And that's what I have for you for this video. Hope you enjoyed the content and I'll see you for the next video. Peace!